Today we'll be installing our small rear storage box. This is a pretty simple installation and should take roughly 1 hour. We recommend unpacking all of the contents of the boxes and laying them out so that you have easy access to all the items needed for the installation, and print out the installation guide if you need it. First, you'll want to determine the height on your rear door platform that you'd like to mount the small rear storage box. You can do this by dry fitting the box to the platform and marking the best location to attach the storage box to the available mounting points with masking tape. If you'd rather measure, just keep in mind that the slotted holes on the back of the box are 15 inches apart. If you are using a product other than the Flatline rear door platform, mark the back of the box to match your available mounting points and drill out 4 3/8 inch holes accordingly. Plug the factory holes with the provided hardware. Now that you know the positioning of the box, open the door of the box to access the mounting holes. Line up the box with the mounting points on the platform and insert the bolts, placing the washer and nut on the back side of the platform. Once you have the box positioned where you'd like it, you can tighten the bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Place the sealing plugs in the drain holes in the bottom of the box tray. The adjustable torque hinges on the lid can be adjusted using a 5mm Allen wrench to increase or decrease resistance of the door opening and closing. Using a 10mm wrench, loosen the jam nut to adjust the compression bolt and retighten the nut when the adjustment is complete. You can screw the bolt out to increase the amount of compression, or screw the bolt in for less compression. And that's it. If you have any questions with this install process, or have any unique fitment issues, please reach out to our product support team for assistance. Thanks for watching.